$46 per person.
Wow. This is my outfit. Good morning. Good morning. So this is my outfit. It's a skirt. It's a long skirt, guys. And shadow siyang pa-floppy. And syempre kahit malaki ang ating chan, mag-crop top tayo. Hindi ko mag-crop top kahit malaki yan ko. So ayan, crop top. Tapos meron siyang ano dito, tali-tali sa gilid. Ayan. What time na? No, babe. Mag-breakfast kami. Kasi hanggang ano, 11 ang breakfast. Nagkalat sa Eleanor, guys. Mamaya ako mag-ayos ng gamit namin. Kasi hanggang 1 night na lang kami dito. And 1 night. Then back to cold weather. Back to Minot. Iwan ako ng ano dyan. Konting by hair. Parang yun lang. Nakatimpla na. What's in your hand?
Batteries. That was 27.
I was 21.
23.
Maybe like that. Yan yung gamit namin. Ganyan siya, guys. Kasi aayusin ko siya. Yung isang luggage, ang ilalagay ko yung dirty clothes namin. Ito, clean to. So, ayusin ko yan mamaya. Kailangan kasyahin ko siya dito. Call Daddy. Si Daddy.
Oh, come on.
Oh, and
Come on, let's go. Come on.
for me,
There, pick
like
up.
I said,
Where's the keys?
pretty well with
She's hiding it.
She looked at me and she's trying to hide it.
She's hiding it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go outside.
Let's just go. You leave her. Just stay here.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
a few times.
Ako ng outfit ko, sabi ni Casey, maganda yan, yung paano siya slide dito, o yung open dito, shoulder, ano ba tawag yung damit na yun, yung open dito, side, shoulder ba tawag nun, change ako, yan yung nails ko, wala na guys, natanggal na siya, yan na lang natira, dito sa kabila, isa na lang, ay dalawa na lang din, pero tumagal siya ng ng 6 days, and sobrang ganda nito, wait magbakal muna ako. So, nabili ko itong fake nails sa Ultra.
Krispy Kreme.
There's a Krispy Kreme 0.8 miles away.
So, nabili ko itong, guys, fake nails sa Ultra. And, hindi ako sanay magsuot ng mga fake nails kasi parang ang bigat-bigat sa kamay. Pero itong nails na ito, ang gaan-gaan niya. Ayan, so, tapos hindi siya mahal. Sakto lang, medium size. And sobrang nagandahan ko siya. Nga lang, medyo pricey siya. $13 lang naman. Pero yung mga and good quality siya, ha? Kasi yung iba na nasusuot kong fake nails, ang bigat-bigat, feeling ko mabigat. But ito, ang ganda niya. What do you want? It's a little bit windy today, guys. Yesterday, sobrang init. Ang ganda-ganda ng weather yesterday. Ngayon, siya makulimlim, tapos mahangin ng konti. Konti lang naman. Konti lang. Pero nagdala ako ng pang swimming, namin, mga swimming stuff namin. Just in case na mag-swimming kami ni Casey. Or mag-swimming kami. At least meron akong dala. Na binili ng sister-in-law ko na mura lang naman. Sabi niya, wag mo nang dalhin yan. After mong gamitin, tapon mo na kasi magdala-dala pa daw ng dagdag bigat lang. So, itatapon namin yan after namin gamitin. Ng 1 hour. Are you done of this? Are you done? Do you want water? What about? Do you want water? Bigyan niya natin to si Eleanor ng water. Ay, para hindi siya grabe mamaya. Do you wanna watch? Good. see outside. Madam.
Rambo?
Madam po. Thank you, babe. Oh, this looks yummy, babe. It's good you grab ano. Small. Can you grab this? Krispy Kreme and some caramel cappuccino siguro na frappuccino. Thank you, sweetheart. 24 donuts whole. Is this the small donuts? I love that, babe.
How much?
16? 80?
Not bad, huh?
Not bad.
I think it was cheaper.
Yeah. Yes, that's it. We're entering, guys. We're in Miami now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're in Miami. Ang tataas ng building nila dito. Sana all.
Change on the right.
Oh, wait, mommy, wait. Royal Caribbean.
This is all like where cruise. We took a shuttle from our hotel.
Guys, sobrang windy. Mali naman yung punta namin eh. Sobrang windy. Oh my God, pero ang ganda dito. Kasi Daddy. Ang ganda dito, diba? Ganda siguro dito pag sunset, oh. You want picture there, babe? Whoa. Eleanor, Ito naman si Eleanor. Habulin niya na naman ng mga ibon-ibon. Eh, may kalapati oh. Mahulog ka. Mahulog ka. Tingnan nyo guys. Ha? Yeah. Habulin niya na naman. Eleanor, stay here. Eleanor, come back here. Let's go to daddy. Si Babay bird. Wow, there's an big one. No, I can't ano. Si Babay bird. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Ano namin, nalipat. Ah, buhok ko, sobrang gulo na. Labang ganda doon guys, so pakita ko sa inyo. Ang si Eleanor, antok na siya, hindi naman kasi siya natulog. Iwanan na ako guys ng aking mag-ama. So yan ang ating view. Daming tao pa din kahit tawag niyan? Kahit mahangin. So it's a long bridge. So yan. So Eleanor. Hold tight Eleanor's hand. Our view. Do close your eye. Eleanor. Guys, punta tayo doon. Paano ko naman tumatulak ang ating ang ating stroller. Ano ba yan? Mabuti na magaan tong stroller na to. Guys, mabuti na magaan tong stroller na ito. Okay, sure? Okay. Balikan kita siya, huwag kang aalis. Huwag kang aalis. So, ano siya, Mexican or ano? Ayun kay Casey Cuba. In mine it's a bowl kasi may rice para kay Eleanor. Let's eat, cook and water. So, this is the downtown, babe, or no?
No, this is Miami Beach.
Miami Beach.
That's what this whole kind of island is called.
Yeah.
Look at the Santa Claus.
Where?
Oh, it's fake. I thought it was actually a real guy.
Is it fake?
Yeah, it's fake.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Akala ko guys, real. So, marami ditong mga restaurant na Cubans. Mayroon din ako nakitang bonchon. Pa rin, bonchon parang hindi pa open. Kasi kaso lang si Eleanor is hindi pa nagnanap guys.
Dang, we should keep driving over
Iyak
here.
siya ng iyak ba?
A lot of places over this way.
Yeah. Doon kami kumain sa kabila. Dahil wala kami dito. Nag-drive. Daming dito. Mga tabi-tabing mga stores. Mga restaurants. See, this is the Miami Beach. Mahaba-habang beach. Kaso lang naman, sobrang windy. Outfit ko, na hindi mo nakita sa picture kasi sobrang lamig at sobrang windy. Ang outfit, nagdala pa ako ng outfit namin ni Eleanor. Para kay Eleanor na binili ko sa mall, nung pumunta kami ng mall. Ba't hindi rin nasuot? Eleanor. Milk! Eleanor, do you want milk? Ha? Do you want milk?
Oh, just grab the charger.
Yep. Ready for milk si Eleanor. Yep. Ready. Di clean na room, babe. Yeah. Yan ang chance, guys. Sana sa beach. May dala pa naman akong mga gamit namin. Kaso wala eh. Hindi kaya. Hindi kaya ang lamig. Bakit maligo. Oh. Kasi uwi na lang tayo. Hindi, umuwi na lang kami. Hi, baby Eleanor. Hi. Last vacation here. Do you want donut? Oh, I give you one. Bukod ko na rin yung mga dadalhin naming damit. And susuotin namin ni Casey. Kasi 'di ba, pagbalik namin is snow. So dapat doon na lang si Casey kami. Doon lang siguro si Casey magpalit ng ng long sleeve niya. Ako magsuot lang ako ng t-shirt tapos yung suot kong hoodie. She's only she wants you. That's it. Massage, daddy. Massage. Give daddy some massage. Eleanor. Here's your milk.
With top brands that love from Walmart, you have to get the show just got that. Your Walmart. When I was diagnosed with HIV, I didn't know who I was. But here I am.
What's the what?
And asked her healthcare provider about the #1 prescribed HIV treatment, Biktarvy.
Biktarvy is a completely one-pill, once-a-day treatment used for HIV in many people, whether you're 18 or 80. With a one-small pill, Biktarvy fights HIV to help make it undetectable and stay there. Whether you're just starting or replacing your current treatment, research shows that taking HIV treatment as prescribed and getting to it staying undetectable prevents transmitting HIV through sex.
Look, daddy!
Side effects occur.
Daddy!
Problems rare life-threatening side effects build up of lactic acid and liver problems. Don't take Biktarvy.
Look, daddy! See up!
Tell your healthcare provider
Daddy, up!
all the medicines and supplements you take. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding,
No, help daddy! Pull daddy! Pull daddy's hand!
you have hepatitis,
Come on!
don't stop taking Biktarvy
Eleanor!
without talking to your healthcare
Pull
provider.
daddy's hand!
Common side effects are diarrhea, nausea, and headache.
Eleanor, help daddy!
Talk to your healthcare provider today.
Mopping is hard work. Try a Swiffer Power Mop. Has a no-taste solution. Breaks down dirt on contact. Plus, 360-degree swivel head cleans up along bases.
Help daddy!
Swiffer Power Mop.
Eleanor, say good night, guys! Eleanor, say good night! Eleanor, say good night, blow a kiss! Thank you guys for watching! Please subscribe! Blow a kiss! Blow a kiss! Blow a kiss to daddy! Blow a kiss. Watch your, babe? Eyes. Don't trust Eleanor.